Hi, this is Tim from Heerboth and Brake Lathe Specialist Sellers on eBay. Today I'm going to do a little video on replacing the Crossfeed Boot. First thing we'll need to do is get the tool post back all the way out of the disc box. Lock the disc box in low range, give the handle a bump, unscrew it from the drive shaft in the disc box, start pulling that forward. Next thing, we'll get the 5/32 and we'll take the tension off of that screw so that brass plug doesn't go flying. We'll go ahead and pull that out. You can slide the boot up, you can check for rust, which does happen. Pull that whole thing out. Get rid of the old boot. You can clean this up, get rid of the rust, put on fresh grease. Put the fresh boot on, get it lined up with its hole. Get it pushed back into place. Gotta line it back up. Shove that in. Go ahead and retension. I like to tighten that and back it off a half a turn. That gets started. Wait till it gets snug. Take that back out of gear. And now you're ready to go. Thank you.